Shocking CCTV footage from Kurla station in India shows a girl falling onto the railway tracks as a speeding goods train arrives. The train passes completely over her. This police officer explained how this girl, miraculously, she is rescued unharmed by police and locals, surviving this death-defying incident.
करते करती जा रही थी। वो टाइम पे सामने से एक मालगाड़ी आ गई प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 7 से, तो वो उसका ध्यान नहीं था। वो फ़ोन पे बात करते करते ही जा रही थी। वो टाइम पे आगे से मालगाड़ी आई तो उसका ध्यान नहीं था, उसकी ठोकर लग गई, वो गिर गई। गिर जाने के बाद तुरंत वहाँ जीआर की पुलिस पहुँच गए, उसको उठाया और तुरंत राजगढ़ हॉस्पिटल में लेके गए, वहाँ औषधोपचार करके।
Shocking footage from an Antalya amusement park. A spinning pendulum-style ride suddenly fails during operation, breaking apart and crashing to the ground. See the chaos as the ride stops and workers rush to the scene after the terrifying malfunction. A construction worker quickly pushes a wheelbarrow full of dirt, only to accidentally trip and fall with the wheelbarrow into a trench. An excavator attempting a lift loses control, swinging its bucket down violently and crushing a piece of equipment or structure nearby in a construction fail. Watch as a yellow crane attempts to lift a heavy military tank onto a truck. The crane immediately fails, toppling over and crushing the truck with the tank.
Он сколько весит, Игорек? Я все вот добиваюсь. Он больше 10.